Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about what are different states that a test case can go through during the software testing process. Okay, so we'll talk about some of the most common states. Okay, uh, in which generally or the states which we generally go through while doing the software testing. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen. Yeah. So let's talk about the first one. Okay. Yeah. So the first state will be your draft state. Okay. So initially, when you start writing your test cases, right, you are just going through the requirement document and you start writing your test cases. Okay. At that time, your test cases are in initial state. Okay. Initial states means maybe you are not completely uh, maybe you're not completely aware of the flow, right? So you just write your test cases based on your understanding or based on the requirement document, right? But this is yet to be finalized, right? So till that time, the test case state will be draft. Okay. Now the second one is in review. Okay. Generally, if you are not the lead, obviously, or if you're not the manager, generally you will write your test cases or you will ask one of your peer team member, right? Or one of your lead or maybe manager or maybe on-site coordinator or maybe BA or maybe BSA, whosoever is there writing your the hierarchy, the way the process follows in your application on your company, right? You will ask someone to review the test cases. Okay, so the other person will be reviewing your test cases and will give you the subsequent comments or the changes he will suggest you if needed. Till that time, the state of the test cases will be in review. Okay, then again, once it is done, once everything looks good, maybe you do necessary changes as per the suggestions and all looks good. Okay, then your test cases will be in a state called approved. Then in the next state will be once it is approved, once you start your testing. Okay, the next states will come once you start your testing, actual execution, I would say. So till this point, it was like the basically writing part, right? Test case writing. Okay, so basically you are in test case writing phase till this time. Now you came into the test case execution phase. Okay. In this phase, there will be again different states. The first one is, let's say, failed. Okay, you are executing your test cases. You are trying to match your test case result with an expected result. If expected is not equal to actual, then your test case will be failed, right? The state will be failed. The symbol is for not equal to. Okay. Next, pass. Okay, so if expected is equal to actual result, your test case will be pass, right? The state will be pass. The next, blocked. Okay, there will be sometimes you will block your test cases. There could be a lot of reasons. Okay, the first one may be environment reason. Yeah. Environment reason. Okay, maybe the environment is not, I mean, environment means the application behavior. Okay, or the environment, the test environment is not proper. Okay, and on a specific page, maybe the application is not properly responding. So for for that particular page, your all test cases will be blocked. The other reason could be an infrastructure issue, right? Infrastructure issue, right? So in this case, again, maybe due to some infrastructure things, your application is not behaving properly, so your test cases are blocked. Okay. And there are others also, like maybe you raised one defect, you are not able to log in your application. If you're not able to log in, how you will validate if you are able to send the email or if you are able to receive the emails, right? So rest or subsequent test cases will be blocked, correct? So because of defect as well, your test cases can be blocked. So there can be multiple reasons, right? As I said. Now the next one is retested, right? So as I said, the test case is failed. No, maybe your bug got fixed by the development team, right? So in that case, you will be retesting your test case. The state of your test case will be retested. It means you would be, or you maybe in the coming days or maybe in the 1 hour or 2 hours, you will be testing your test case again, right? The failed test case. Till that time, right? Since the bug is fixed, your state of the test case will be retested. So, okay, retest, not retest, basically, right? So these are the different states which we generally see or which we generally go through during software testing process. Okay. And yeah, I hope this video will help you to determine your state, at which state you are, at what state your test case is, and it will help you for your interview questions as well, because they will ask you sometime like what is block, what is retest. Okay. Now, apart from this, there are other states as well, okay, which I wanted to cover actually. The next one is basically your uh, maybe, yeah, I think that's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.